Prayer for Santo Niño. O Señor Santo Niño, you are our King and our God. We worship you. You are our strong defender. We turn to you. You are the patron of Cebu and Philippines. We come to you. You have made extraordinary wonders. Through our miraculous image in this chosen, remember us. Look down on this poor soul that comes to you. Lead us with your wisdom. Discipline us with truth. Console us with tenderness. Protect us with our mind. We consecrate today our thought to you. Only with you shall they come occupied our words. Only of you shall they speak our suffering, that we may endure them for your sake. We beg you, Señor Santo Niño, illumine our understanding, kindle our will, cleanse our body, sanctify our soul. We wish that we wish because you wish as you wish, as long as you wish. Grant us, Señor Santo Niño, that we may feel love towards you, be strict toward ourselves, be jealous toward our fellow men, and rightly despise the things of our world. Help us to overcome sensuality with strict discipline, righteousness, generosity, anger with gentleness, indolence with zealous industry. Make us wise in counsel, courageous in her, patient in adversity, humble in prosperity. Teach us, dear Santo Niño, how worthless is the world, how sublime is heaven, how brief is time, how long is eternity. Grant us, lastly, that we may remember you, adore you, and serve you here on the earth, that we may be happy forever and ever in heaven. Amen.
Ayaw mag-ipali sa pag-iog sa sulong. Ang sikot malapit, aman sa santunin niyo. Kaya ang kinabuya lang ay may Panginoon. Sinulong ang sakit o puso. Ang titiyak, kalama sa ulong. Ang sinulong ang sakit o puso. Ang titiyak, kalama sa ulong.
Aman. Lo que tal?